이름이 어디였었더라 도레미파솔라 잠깐만 목 좀 풀어볼게 너를 위한 노래 Baby I really wanna 절대 이런
Oh my god guys, so parang 10 minutes na akong nagsasita, di pa siya naka-record, naka-camera mode pala siya. So anyway guys, i-update ko kayo sa October live. So sa October, sandamakmak na oculars for CG ang nangyari. Then nagpagupit kami na Ate Kylie. So here are just quick pics then. Next, ayan, so makikita nyo lang din mga pictures ng CG meetings, sandamakmak. Next is my first ever halftime. So this is UP versus FEU. So nakita din namin si Coach Randall because nag-perform yung FEU pep. Yes. So first ever halftime for the UP community. Very life-changing experience. Super fun. And then BSG week 1, which is yung mga dance class fundraising ng UP Street. So yeah, that's round 1. And then following week is just me with my STS girls plus tate. So kumain kami sa Drizzle Chicken, tapos sumambay sa ako. Daniel Tia.
Chicken tayo next time. Chicken over John. Sabi ko, wala pa ba?
Oh, wait. Okay, let's wrap yun.
Sa TikTok. Ito.
Ano to? Disney, Disney Battle, ano?
Ito yung Disney.
Nakita ko yung sinasabi mo.
Lazy John, the boy
Ako ba yan?
who loved to sleep. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a young boy named John. John was friendly, but he had...
Sige, sabihin mo na.
Yun na naman, natigil na naman siya.
She was very lazy.
Oh.
While other kids helped their parents in the fields or
Jan was
fetch
useless.
water, Jan would lie under a tree.
Oh, game dyan.
or napping.
Hindi, sasabayin niyo yung ano.
His mother would scold him every single day. yo.
Yan, yun po yan, pre. Di ba, nag-ano ka ng ano?
Sabayin mo yung beat.
Yeah. The story Lazy John. The boy who loved to sleep. Once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived a young man going in.
Binabasa niya.
John was friendly. He had
What the flip are you reading?
chicken chow. Chicken chow. While other kids held their parents in the fields or fetched some water, John would lie.
And then more CG meetings, trainings, shenanigans, yes. This here you can see duels of me crashing out sa 911. Cause like guys, oh my gosh yung 911, like I cannot believe namatay si Captain Nash, as in nagka-effect yun sa next is UP versus LaSalle. Ayan yung duel, talo, Diyos ko po, over. Yung kapatid ko dito lock-in pa, pero alis na kami na bit. Next is Halloween with UP Street. So makikita niyo yung Halloween kasama yung UP Street. So ang shit. Justin Bieber kasama ko.
Yung pinoint ko sa'yo yung up kasi taga-up ka.
Ha? Pakuli mo yung bag ko!
Pogi ko!
I'm trying to put yung mga pictures. Next is yan, BSG with... So, I took BSG Weekend 2 kay Kuya Box. So, kiss yung rap part. Solid. And then next, ang finally the most awaited, Uwa. So, ayan. So, Uwa before mag-uwa, nagmawi-wawi lang kami sa dressing room. Sandamakmak na tawa. Tapos, reacting to the One Piece na song. And then,
Ako.
6, 7.
Looking back to Honolulu, just like Maui.
Tumatama ako eh.
Kaya ka. Back to Honolulu just to get that Maui one.
Hindi ako makaano eh.
Hindi mo pataas ng saglit.
Naka-forward po yung pala pag isang kamay lang.
Ang hirap ka ng dalawang kamay eh.
Just like umiikot kasi.
Kaya gumagano'n ka. Superman! Superman!
Kaya mo yan?
Niikot talaga lahat. Kuya Godi? Nahagip.
5, 6, 7, 8. Just like Honolulu. Wow!
Taray, gusto sermon ah. Nahagip. And more of UWA pictures, locking in. And then, this is from November. This is from kanina lang. So, actually wala lang. Bumili kami ng ang aking mom. More CG meetings. I don't know what to update you guys anymore with. So, papakita ko na lang updates. So yeah, this is like the overview of the month. I don't know how to show overview ng mundo. Like, hello. So, this is the month of, wait, mag-live overview na lang tayo. Ito yung sa November. So, yan yung overall gist ng November. So, hopefully, ma-vlog ko lahat ng mga nangyayari ngayon. So, yeah. That's it. So, trinay ko nang habulin ngayon ng November, start of the month. Yeah, guys. So, we're trying to, work-life balance. Yan, sa namakmak pa rin na, pero patapos na yung SEM. So, thank the Lord. Pero, walang wellness break. So, parusa pa rin. That's all. Bye, guys. So, that's a quick update. I'm sure in-insert ko yung clips in the middle somewhere. That's all. Sa Starbucks kami ngayon. Uwi na kami. Annyeong. Bye-bye.
Pero Rufa making. Ano yun? Paano ulit? Teka. Ay, hindi gusto ko yung cake sa kino. La. Babaw!
Na.
Bakal naman na to, Meg. Palabas. Si Rufa. Paano sabihin yung kuya natanggal pero labubuhis? Kaya natanggal!
Mga vocal team ng mga kabataan.
Kaya natanggal! My friend's favorite word. Ay, anong kuya natanggal?
Say hi. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this song. It's so nostalgic. Wala. Oo, yun yung pinagkukwentuhan namin. Hi guys! Say hello! Hi November.
Hey vlog.
It's Jan's birthday month.
And class.
Last year wala siya dito sa vlog kasi di ako nag-vlog ng November. Bakit kaya? It's Jan's birthday in 5 hours.
Yo guys, I don't feel it.
90 na siya! Wow! The last of the season. Favorite post ko yun? Ako din. Gabba cat, go cat crazy. She's poison but tasty. And people say, run, don't walk away. Hello!
Nakagamit There's not
Ay, gumagalaw yung camera.
tayo dati. Ang birthday ni Alexa. Yung thirst trap sa camera.
Ginagaya natin yung thirst trap ni Prima nun.
Oo.
Kung paano mag-thirst trap si Prima. Ganyan si Prima mag-thirst trap ah. Shoutout sa'yo, Prima. Ganito ka mag-thirst trap, pre. Ganun. Yan. I love you, Prima. For context, ginagaya namin siya nun. Pataas pala. Ako pala yung pag ganon. Ako yun. Si Prima yung... Girl. First time kong gawin yun. Kinda scared. Backless. Wow! Skandalo. Over.
Kasi ano, debut na 18 na kasi.
19 na kami, can't relate. Oo.
Sorry, hindi ka pa 9. Sorry, you're not.
Hanggang dito lang. Hanggang mga 5 hours ka pa. 5 hours ka pa. In 5 hours.
Kasama pa siguro tayo nun. Sa mamaya.
Hanggang 11 lang daw to eh.
Parang imposible for me.
Naka-reserve ata hanggang 11 lang.
Pang super chat. Thumbnail.
Mag-picture pa nga tayo. Bye, vlog.
So you can like go here and then follow you.
Oh my god, I like this camera. Okay, let's buy one. Let's go. Let's use it. Let's go. Let's buy. I have one. My sister.
Si Dion. Happy birthday, Dion. Matagal na pala.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero binati ko naman.
Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday, Dion.
Kuha ka! Kuhalan mo ko!
Ayaw.
Okay, selfie time.
Isali mo naman to. Ito yung sa amin. Okay, tapos baka.
Dugit talaga. Ay, sorry. Dugit kasi.
Okay, count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127,
Kirby nagtatrabaho. Kirby rin.
Labang snaps to you.
Trabaho first. Trabaho. Marketing.
Ako mag-i-snap. Kung mag-i-snap lang ako.
We're going to... Pero di ba Manila Hotel yung blocking there? Okay, we're going to Manila Hotel. Because...
Then, that's the time we go to Manila.
Kaalis lang na. Si Ate Ronnie! Oh, Ate Ronnie! Really? Yeah. She was there outside. Kakababa lang ng jeep. With a boyfriend.
Fantasy ko talaga maging vlogger.
True. In another life.
True.
In another life. Yun lang. Bye. Babasa na ako. Babasa ako. Guess what? Secret. Bye-bye. Say hi everyone. Sobrang linaw niyan, guys. I have like that. Sobrang nice.
So, ito po sila ngayon. Ito na po sila ngayon. Nag-blocking na po matapos ang T-pop blocking run. At mukhang malalakas naman po ang aming mga kings. Wala na masabi.
Yun lang. Thank you.
Welcome po sa bagong Pilipinas. Bagong Pilipinas daw to.
Bagong Pilipinas.
At makikita po namin si Isko Moreno. Sasayaw kami sa harapan ni Isko Moreno. Hello, di ano tayo? Red light on the street.
Tumatawa lang sila.
Tumatawa na lang sila pero di nila minus 500.
Kala nila funny yun. Funny yun pagbalik sa kanila piso na lang. Si Ate Nikki, nagulat ako sa kanya. Guys, ano pong pwedeng caption dito? Over naman sa highways. Highways na yun. ang sabi ni Kuya,
Ayun na lang, baby.
over naman sa highways.
Hindi po baby na highway din. May kalaban na siya.
Si ano,
So,
si ano, alam ko yun. YouTuber yan eh. YouTuber yan, friend yan natin sila Ray Humar. Search natin. Jamie Cruz. May kalaban na po pala si Jamie Cruz sa highways. Oh, isa pa! Let's go! Go kaya Anakin! Woo!
What a powerful performance and inspiring.
Ang ganda ng itsura nila. Say hello. Say hello. Oh my God. Welcome back to my guys. Nakita ka na ng vlog isang araw.
Today
Corny na.
November
11-11. Give your crush a pepperoni.
11. Pepper roti.
Kaya nagdala yung pepperoni.
Kasi po,
Hindi
puro
na,
pala yun.
corny na yun. Katokin natin yung dorm nila.
Dorm!
Sabi nung hindi mahum kanina.
Hindi tayo mananalo sa mga player.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Paano na tayo?
Professionalism.
Yan na. Oh, hindi. Sige, tingin tayo sa malayo, guys. Huwag tayo mag-focus kay Ate.
5, 6. Ay, wait. 5, 6, 7.
Okay na yung una eh. Okay na yung una. Ikaw kasi. Diyan kasi ikaw pala yung mali. Siyempre siya yung huwag ka walang
Pwedeng 1.8. Pwedeng 1.8 tas i-copy paste.
Hindi, kailangan consistent. Kailangan authentic.
Vision, Grammy nomination, record of the year song.
Kala ko Cannes, film festival pala. Law tawag ka.
Anong oras daw dadating? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Siyang kamayo. Ay, sorry.
Ikaw mo
Yun na lang yung melody.
Parang elevator. Parang elevator music.
Main melody na pala. Siya yung main vocal na. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Please remain standing. To open our ceremony.
Ba't nag-a-adjust siya? Go down.
Friday.
Hello? Hello? Come on, everyone. Huh? This is from Box. Sorry.
Ate, naka-ano pa yan kanina ha? Naka-love pa, ganun pa yun. Ate, walang buton. Yun yung buton. Ate, hip-hop nga.
How do I stop this?
Soldier boy is here and living the time and living rhyme. The stars in the sky. The boy is mine.
Ano yung bike?
Mine. Gimme cup of mine.
Hey, it's always my time. One less lonely girl.
Like a one less lonely girl. Like one less lonely.
Over naman.
Wow!
Grabe. Grabe ang fun.
Talon.
Ay. Hindi ka nakita eh. Yan.
Rare moments now.
Wala lang, rare moment.
Hello.
Oh, time check.
Time check. It's now 3:06. 06 November 29. At ang call time namin mamaya ay
6!
3:5:30 sila. Dapat nandun na kami sa
Ideally. So, alis kami ng mga 5:10. Haha. Bye.
Wala kami onting sleep.
Nagtapos pa talaga ng trabaho ba?
Inside,